Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm starting the video kind of early, because I need to do my intro. So today I am recording Nightstown Siren from my house. I got my camcorder set up. The reason why there's 3 radios here and not one for one frequency is because I have multiple frequencies on there because today is the first Friday of the month. Now, my mom was supposed to be off work, but they canceled a store. She works for Circle K. She runs around everywhere. They canceled a store Tuesday because a lot of people called off, and now she's working Friday, which is today. So today is April 3rd, 2026. Friday. So I will start my camcorder like 11:59 or 11:58. It is 11:55 right now, about to turn 11:56. So the frequencies I have set up. So IND Marion County, which is Indianapolis, 155.0025. And then for this one is 2 frequencies. So 154.19 is 190 is Delaware, and then 155.130 is Nightstown here. In this one I have 155.820, which is Hancock County, and 155.880, which is Monroe County. For some reason I can reach that on some radios. So I have 5 frequencies set up, and I can tell by their 2 tones, their D2MF, their FSK, whatever, how you pronounce it, tones and stuff. So yeah. I have my dogs outside. That one's Jace, male. That one's Izzy, however you want to call her, female. Just in case you guys didn't know. They're really nice dogs. I like them. They're black labs. So Isabel, we got, or I got whenever I was like young, like 5 years old or something, pretty sure. And she was in a box, and for my birthday I unboxed her. Like, I unwrapped the box and stuff. She was like in a box where she could still breathe. She's not gonna suffocate, but like, and I saw her and I was really excited. She was just a puppy. And then whenever she got older, she had puppies, like she birthed them, and Jace is one of them. And we gave the others away. So it is 11:57. I'm gonna go ahead and start the camcorder, just in case they like to do it early. Yo, what's up, guys? So this is the recording of tornado sirens in Marion County, Indianapolis, Delaware County, Henry County, Knightstown, which is here, Hancock County, and Monroe County. Today is April 3rd, 2026, Friday, or the first Friday of the month. The current time is 11:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I will zoom in. like that. Whenever they go off, you hear the siren in the background. There's no severe weather, so I don't think they'll cancel. It's 11:59 now. You doggies ready? Huh? Yeah? You ready? Car alarm. And 12 o'clock. Here we go. Knightstown, Henry County. First set end, second set start. It is 12:01 now. We'll get a return. Here goes Knightstown. Federal Signal 2001-130. Here goes the loudness. Do that in a minute. What is that, Jace? What is that? Huh? See a bird? Where's that bird? Where's that bird? You see it right there? See it? Go get it. They should be canceling any second now. It is 12:03. It's been 3 minutes. I think it cancels at 12:04 because they went off like a little after 12, so. $12:04, they're canceling. Yep, there we go. They used to go off at like start going off at 12:05, but they upgraded their two-tones and pushed them in more to where they're like in 2 transmissions. So that's why it goes off earlier. They used to do each one separate, and they used to not have that many two-tones. Okay, let's do my Siren next. Just a quick growl. Okay. I don't think any of the other frequencies are going to go off, so I'm going to conclude this test. So this concludes this test of the outdoor warning siren system of Henry County, Knightstown. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'm in the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.